And within that extraordinary institution, Justice Stevens has played a particularly distinguished and exemplary role.
You also served with honor, exemplary dedication and courage, but were often shunned when you came home.
Exemplary fashion. And throughout this process, we consulted with Congress.
This has been an exemplary effort of how good government at every level should be responsive to people's needs and work to keep them safe and protect and promote the nation's prosperity. When the final chapter of this war is written, historians will look back and say, not only was this the greatest fighting force in the history of the world, but all of you also represented the values of America in an exemplary way.
But let me say specifically about Susan Rice. She has done exemplary work. And each time he has been exemplary.
Michael's leadership at the CIA, as well as his 32-year career, has been nothing short of exemplary.
Palestine, giving an exemplary model despite all hardships and hurdles. The people of Palestine, Mr. President, who...
I think that all our law enforcement officials performed in an exemplary fashion after the bombing had taken place.
Now, I am proud that this work will be carried on by another exemplary public servant, Ambassador Susan Rice, and the second longest-serving director of the FBI for the last 12 years has been an exemplary public servant, Bob Mueller. But Ty stands before us as a loving husband, a devoted father, an exemplary soldier who even redeployed to Afghanistan. As vice chair for the past 3 years, she's been exemplary and a driving force of policies to help boost our economic recovery. They are exemplary soldiers.
And as I've said this before, I want to repeat, we put enormous burdens and enormous strains on our men and women of the armed forces. And each and every time the members of our armed services, our troops, perform in exemplary fashion. They've got a really tough job, and most of them are doing it in exemplary fashion.